2018 was quite a busy year with various dynamics coming to play. 2019 on its part promises a lot that will be in key focus. Now let's take a look at some of those, and the national census is expected to be taken this year, and that will start from the 24th of August. Just a reminder that the last time this was done was 10 years ago. A lot of discussions coming up on the same, on how it will be done and where it will be done. The other point of focus this year is a war on corruption. Of course, coming from 2018, a lot of arrests have been done, more arrests expected this year, prosecutions, and of course possible convictions even as we embrace the new year. Now, the handshake that came to us in 2018 in March between President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga, of course, has elicited a lot of reactions, and going by what President Uhuru Kenyatta alluded to, that a lot more reactions will actually be seen in the new year. So we'll keep an eye on the same to see the effects of the handshake in 2019. Now, the other agenda making 2019, the succession politics. That conversation continues, and that is between those that would want to see whoever is going to be or want to be aligned with whoever will be taking up State House after President Uhuru's term is over, and that discussion continues in the new year. And something else that is top of mind under governance and politics, we have the referendum dialogue. Well, this is a conversation that started off in 2018. It will continue in the new year, even as some continue to wait on the report that will be coming from the Building Bridges initiative, and most looking at the politics of it and, of course, the cost of living for Kenyans. Now, to something else that we are keeping an eye on, and we're looking at the business and economy of a country. The country has been speaking on the fact that the country has taken up too much debt. And this year, to be specific, the national debt debate will continue, yes. And this comes even as we start paying off some of our loans, and some of those is a 202 billion Kenya shillings Eurobond repayment, which starts in this year and will be paying off 97.71 billion shillings. That is the amount that the taxpayer will have to part with. And the other loan that will actually be paid off is the SGR loan. Remember, this comes even after the 5-year grace period extended to Kenya in May of 2014 comes to an end, and that loan will cost the taxpayer 82.25 billion shillings from July of this year. Well, something else you need to keep in mind in as far as the 2019 agenda is coming from the sporting world. A lot coming up from that end, and the IAAF World Championships are expected to be on from September 28th in Doha. The IAAF World Relay is expected from May 11th to the 12th in Japan. The Africa Cup of Nations will be from the 15th of June to the 13th of July. African Games expected to be from August 23rd to September 3rd in Morocco. Rugby World Cup to be coming up on the 20th of September to the 2nd of November in Japan. And of course, the Volleyball World Cup, September and October is the months we'll be looking out for the same. And of course, this is something that our sports desk will be looking forward to focus on even as we unveil 2019.